Hello, I'm Chris Menard. I have a great tip for you today in Microsoft Word. Whenever I'm in Word and I need to insert hyperlinks, that is great. But what if the hyperlinks are to a video? Don't know if you know this, but you can put the videos inside of your Word documents instead. And I got another tip about putting those videos, so let's go ahead and dive into this one. So I've got Microsoft Word running. I've also gone ahead and pulled up two YouTube videos that are very popular. One has to do with syncing OneDrive, what do those icons mean? And the second one is an Excel video, what if analysis with a data table. Notice that I've copied these URLs. One ends in DQ, the other ends in K4. So I'm back in Word. So I could sit here and say, hey, here is this Excel video. Highlight that and create a hyperlink. Control K, insert hyperlink if you're a mouse person, and I'm on the insert tab right now. And hyperlink is somewhere up in here, I promise you. Insert link. Control K2, and then I would just simply put in that video link right there. That's fine and dandy, but my Word document looks a lot better if I can actually put that video in here. So here we go. Insert tab, online videos. I've got that URL already put in here. Insert, and there it is. Now, here's my tip for you. Let me do the other video first, and I'll tell you my tip. I'm going to go to page 2. I've already done a page break. Same steps. Insert, online videos. So here's the one for Microsoft OneDrive where we discuss what do those sync icons mean. My tip is this. I made at the very top here, Chris Menard, add videos to your Word document. I made that a heading 1 style. I love styles. If you don't know how to use styles, see my video up in the top right corner. But I want people to quickly be able to find these videos if this is a long document. So if I go to View, just to show you where I'm headed, and I turn on the navigation pane, I see that heading 1 style, but I don't see the videos. So I encourage you, if you're going to put a video in your Word document, to give it a heading style. So I'm going to actually call this video. I'm just making this up. What if? That needs to be a heading 2, Home tab, H2. Same way down here, one more time, video. I'm going to just abbreviate this one, OneDrive icons, H2. Now, when someone goes to View, navigation pane, they can quickly jump to your videos over there to the far left. Also, now they've got something to search for with Control F. They could type in Excel, they can type in what if, they can type in analysis. It just makes it a lot easier. More tips for you here. So now that the videos are in my Word document, I get this question all the time. If I click here, this video should play, but watch, it's not going to. It kind of just gets stuck. I get this question all the time. Press Escape. Here's my tip. If you right click it, you can say Open in Browser. Play video is the same as left clicking it. So I'm going to go to Open in Browser, and the video opens up in a new tab and I can hit play. The other tip I have for you is right now, that left click at not playing in Word, that's just a Word issue. What happens when I make this file a PDF? Do those videos still play? Well, File, Save As, PDF, and I've already made it a PDF, so you don't have to go File, Save As, PDF. I'm going to pull it up as a PDF file. I was playing earlier, so I act like it's got the same text in here, but here you go. Click the video. It pops up and wants to play. One more test, go down here. Click this video, wants to pop up and play. I've got my heading 2s in here, so Control F and type in OneDrive, and I can find OneDrive. So I hope this helps with how to insert online videos into your Word document and how much better the document looks, how to put in heading styles above the videos so people can quickly find them in Word and in PDF if you make it a PDF. And also I covered troubleshooting what happens, why it doesn't play in Word with the left click. Just right click and open in browser. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to ask me any questions you want down in the comments box. Ring the bell and have a lovely day. Thank you for your support also. Bye-bye.